Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be the final day of 12 days of planning. It is extra late and I totally take responsibility for that. We went out of town and then I didn't feel so good. I slept with the window open at my mother-in-law's house. So I'm finally getting around to it, but this is the flip through of my Christmas planner. And I really like how it turned out. I am excited to show you guys. So this is the front cover. If you missed me setting this up, I'll link that below where you can watch that if you want. But this is actually that flamingo cover. So I ended up just using like the black and white stripes or polka dots. But I mostly used this. So I'm going to pull this out. But I did one of the days where I used this daily sheet for like packing and stuff. So that actually worked out super well. And then here was my shopping list. And I highlighted once I bought it. And then I put this in from last year. I really liked looking at that. And we did a little bit of this. We did hot cocoa, wrap gifts, holiday shopping. Here's that washi page. I ended up not really doing much else other than my flip book. I don't know if there's anything else to show because once I realized that I really wanted to make a flip book, I pretty much put everything in there. So that's what I'm going to show now. So this is the front cover. I used these big red Mambi Sticks letters to put our last name. And I decorated a little bit. I really like how it turned out. And it already had this decoration at the bottom. So this is so cute. This is seriously so cute. It's so much fun. So let's turn this way first. Here is my bucket list. I just put like 4 main things: exchanging gifts, seeing Christmas lights, make a gingerbread house, and decorating cookies. So that was cute. Very minimal. And then my favorite Christmas songs is like probably one of my top favorite pages. I just love these girls down here and these letters. So much fun. I love that I use these music notes. So that was super cute. And then my wish list is right here. So I highlighted what I ended up getting. So I pretty much wrote down my main things that I mainly wanted. So I did get a decent amount of them, which was a big blessing. And then here's this, our traditions page. And I put, we don't have a ton of annual traditions, but what we do are really special to me. So there's that, super cute. So that side is like tame compared to the other side. So let's go ahead. Eek, look at this. So I printed out the main pictures that I really loved from our trip. So here's like our family picture. And here is a really funny moment when we realized that Dakota had this green rhinestone stuck to the tip of her nose. And none of us knew where it came from. And it was absolutely hilarious. And then here's a picture my sister got of us with Dakota. And then here's Dakota sleeping with Emma over here. So I guess this is kind of the Dakota page, except for Brody one time right here. But there's another page that you'll see in a second. But I wrote down the main things that we really loved that happened. Like my sister got me a popcorn maker. We didn't have room for all the gifts in our car, so that was like a funny moment. What happened when we got back home and visiting my dad and stopping at our friend's house. Like we put, you know, the big moments, decorating a gingerbread house with my sister-in-law, which is her. So that was cute. And then this is the other page. So if you were to go like this, there's pictures here, and then there's another page as well. So there's this. Here's my mom and Brody. Here's Brody with his my husband's hat on. That was like a funny moment. And here's our best friend's daughter and Dakota with her sweatshirt on. And then my dad and my sister and our dogs. That was a cute one. It's so cute. I love that I put the pictures in. Okay, and almost done, but this is my movie page. Let me check off what I ended up watching. So Santa Claus, A Christmas Story, some of The Grinch. So I'll just do that. I didn't watch Polar Express or Christmas Vacation, but I watched Holiday, Elf, Home Alone. I didn't watch A Wonderful Life, so I should probably watch that before the end of the year. Okay, and then the last page is another picture page, and all the picture pages are my favorite. So on the way there, we got their pup cups, and that was cute. And then my dad with Brody, and then all the gifts under the tree before we left. So this was just like seriously such a fun thing that I did this year, and I 100% will be doing this hopefully every single year. Literally printing out these pictures is so easy on the Walgreens app, and it was only $3 total, even with the taxes, because there was the 30% off coupon with it. Like, so easy. So I encourage all of you to make one as well. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Right after this, I'm going to insert where or when I put the pictures down, so you can see that if you want. If not, you can just click out. I really, really love how it turned out. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And thank you so much for this fun 12 days of planning. I'm seriously like, I loved doing this series with you guys. So if you liked it, please make sure that you let me know in the comments below so that I can continue it every single year. If it's something that, you know, really didn't make a huge difference, then, you know, maybe let me know about that below too. I am open to constructive criticism. So I will talk to you guys in the next one, but thank you so much for everything. And if I don't talk to you before then, I hope you guys have a wonderful New Year's. All right, bye guys.